Well, after working 8 hours today and riding to and from work, my knee seems to be pretty good. I don't know why. I expect it to hurt a lot more than it is. So yeah, that's good news. And I kind of figured, well, if my knee's feeling better already, I may be able to ride next weekend. So I should probably get the bike fixed. So I rang up Yamaha to get a genuine clutch plate cover, and it was $170 just for the part. And I kind of figured, well, I'll try some $13 cold weld from Super Cheap Auto and see if that holds up. Apparently it works under pressure and under a certain amount of heat, and I can't imagine the clutch cover getting that hot. And yeah, so hopefully that holds, because I can't see the point in buying a brand new clutch cover and then maybe doing the exact same thing and it being a waste of money. Plus it's a dirt bike, it looks rough, I don't care what it looks like. It's all about performance, baby. Okay, so what I've done so far is I've already bent the lever out and I've jammed it with the screwdriver here to keep it out of the way so I can work on it. And I've sanded this down as it says on the instructions, and I'm just freeing it up of any oil or anything like that right now. Also just gonna clean this oil off with a bit of bike cleaner. Hopefully none of it goes inside the holes, but I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little hole there and even a little hole there. So now I'm going to mix up some cold weld onto a piece of cardboard. Here we go, just getting some into that hole. I'm not too worried about what it looks like on the bike, it's just I want it to fill it. Just really try and get it in that groove. And there we go. Hopefully that solved that. Now I just need to work out a way of bending this peg back, and I think there's only one way to do that. Foot peg meet brick, brick meet foot peg. Whoa. Cool. That's sorted the peg. Now it's just the indicator. Not sure if you can see or tell, but I've managed to bend the peg back into its original position. I bent the brake lever back already, and it seems to be dry and seems to be looking alright. I'm actually going to put an extra layer over it just to make sure. I've also replaced the indicator, so that's everything. Everything's been fixed. I had a spare indicator, which they're really cheap. It's like 4 for $12 or something. So far this has only really cost me probably 20 bucks and a bit of labour. Peg's fine, brake lever's fine, the engine case seems to be fine, and indicator's been replaced. So all I'm going to do now is put another coat of cold weld over, and then I'll give the whole bike a wash. And in all honesty, washing the bike probably has taken longer than anything else that I've had to repair. I've been very lucky. got back from that test ride, and seems to be no oil leaks at all, so I'm very happy with how quickly I was able to repair the bike, and my knee's okay now too. I've just bought knee pads, so if there's a next time, it won't be such a big issue. Thanks for watching. Here is the beast coming through the wilderness. Watch as he observes his prey. It's me.
Fucking what? No, that's in here.
So yeah, after stacking it,
Oh,
you're gonna have to start my
so
bike.
much better than mine. Damn.
Better?
Oh yeah.
Probably why I can wheelie better. Probably why I did that. Yeah. YOLO! Oh.
Really, God?
That's alright.
I got it. Pull the decon pin. I'll kick it.
Woohoo!
You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. Oh my god! Oh, that was fucking hilarious.